Good morning, nursery class. Today is day 17. Please take out your Funmatic book and open page number 17. Page number 17. Page number 18. Write date, CWN, day. Tall and short. You also learned the concept of tall and short. Here you draw the shorter object. Now you see this is taller object and you draw shorter object like this, and this is taller object and you draw shorter object here like this. This is taller leaf and you draw shorter leaf here like this. So page number 18 is done now, and please revise your concept of taller and shorter from previous page.